I want to be a good manager, be good in the operational side of the healthcare sector. I did my undergrad in BSc Renal Dialysis Technology. It was mainly focusing on the clinical aspect. I want to be a good manager, be good in the operational side of the healthcare sector. So I thought, why not get on the administrative side? I researched about it, where can I go to colleges, then I got to know, okay, the environment is too good, the nature is too good, the classrooms are also good, the way of your teaching. Other than that, the faculties are very good. They have a special mentor-mentee program that helps me and my other fellow mates also to have a face-on interaction with your faculties. Even they help us in our personal life issues also. That is very good, and the things which I really wanted from my program, that I'm actually getting it.